Hi there, it's Allison Smancic from Idea Sprouts Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use iContact email marketing to create a sign-up form. I'm really big fan of offering different freebies to people on your website, and you need to have an email for a sign-up form for them. And using an email marketing software like iContact enables you to do this. So this is what I want you to envision. You have a way for people to enter their name and email address. They hit submit. They go to a page where they get whatever you promised them. So if you're offering them a free ebook, or you have them sign up for your newsletter, or you give them a coupon, whatever it is, they put in their name, email address, whatever else, they hit submit, they go to a page with that information. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to create that sign up form so you can place it on your website. So if you aren't using iContact, sign up for it. I highly recommend it. It's really easy to use. You can create multiple sign up forms for all kinds of different lists, and you will end up getting more leads because of it. So once you are in iContact, you're logged in, you're going to click on the contacts up at the top here, and you're going to land on this page, and I want you to click on sign up forms, which you can also reach from down here. Now, before we create a sign-up form, you do need to have a list created that you want to send people to. So if it's for a free ebook and you want them to be on a special list just for people who download the free ebook, you need a list for that. Or if it's a newsletter, you need a list for that. The other item you're going to need is a thank you page. So that means after they hit submit, filling out your form, where are they going to go? So you need to have that page. Even if it's not done, just you need to have the URL. With those two pieces, you can get started, and you can always make changes after. So let's click on Sign Up Form, and we're going to scroll down, and you'll see you want to go to HTML Sign Up Forms and click on Create HTML Form. First thing that you'll see is that you can choose a style, and this is what your form is going to look like. So you can choose a border color, font. I suggest just hit next. You can always come back and change this because I want you to see what the form looks like first, and then you can mess around and change and do whatever you want to your heart's content. But right now it's not going to help you to really do this. Let's click next. We want to give our sign up form a name so we know what it is. I'm going to call this one free ebook sign up, and I want this to go to the free ebook list that I created. The sign up form is always going to include the email. And if you want to include any extra fields on your sign-up form, you can go ahead and select them. I really think you should at least have a name on there so they fill out their name and email address. But if it's just a newsletter and you never address them by their first name, go ahead and just have the email. That's fine. And you can see there's many different types of things you can have them fill out. So if it's more than just giving away something for free and you want to get some information from them, you can do that too. Down here is where I was telling you about we can have our thank you page. So after they fill it out successfully, where are they going to go? There is a default thank you page that iContact does give you, but this isn't going to help you if you're giving them a free ebook and you want them to have access to it as soon as they fill it out. So I always suggest that you have a sign-up form. Like I said, just get the URL. If the page is blank, you can always go back and change it. Just this will set up your form. And then an error URL is if there's an error when they're filling out the form, they leave something blank or they didn't fill out their email address properly. There is a default error form or error page, which I think is fine. It's just telling you they made an error, please go back. If you want to create your own, then you can add that here as well. And then you're going to click save, and that's it. You've created your first sign up form, and I'm guessing you probably want to see what it looks like. So once you've created it, you're back here and you can click on View HTML. And you're going to need that HTML to put on your website so that your form is there. There are two different types that you're going to get here. You get an automatic sign-up form, which is through iContact. It's automatically updated if there's anything that they make any changes to. So if you came in here and said, okay, now I want it to be green and I want the font to be red, your form would automatically update on your website, which is kind of cool if you do make changes. But for the most part, many websites are, you could just use the manual sign-up form and then you can make your own changes. So let's preview what it looks like. And this is where I was saying, as far as the colors, now you have a better understanding. You say, oh, I don't want that blue. I would rather have black font. And I don't want this box, so maybe I'll make that white so I don't have it. So there is where you can go back and make some changes to what your form looks like. If you do decide to go with a manual sign-up form and you understand HTML, or you have a designer working for you, you're going to just give them this manual sign-up form and you can make any kinds of changes to it. So if you wanted to say download now instead of submit, you can do that. And that's it. You're just going to copy and take it where you need to go. Now in my blog article, I'm going to give you some advice on how you can use these sign-up forms. So there's more than one way you can do it. You can have a landing page and many different things if you have a WordPress site. So go to my blog, ideasproutsmarketing.com/blog, and I'm going to share the link to the blog article with this video so you can see exactly how you can use these forms. If you have any questions, comment below. If you like this video, share it, comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much and have a great day.